Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Haley and I like to post lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Very excited about today's video, but before I get into that, I just want to say I am getting over sickness, so if my voice sounds a little bit different, that's why. I completely lost my voice pretty much for the entire week. I got tested negative for COVID. I'm still facing the residuals of whatever was going on. I have no idea. Very excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, which is a try on declutter my closet. My inspiration behind this is I've just been really feeling like my life has felt a little bit messy in the past few weeks. I was actually reading my Bible earlier this week and I came across a Bible verse that says, "I don't say this out of need, for I have learned to be content in whatever circumstances I find myself. I know both how to make do with little and I know how to make do with a lot." I guess for me, this verse just kind of spoke to contentment in life. And I know for me personally and a lot of my friends on social media, it can be really easy to feel like you constantly need the new thing or you constantly need to buy new clothes to stay in style. And I just don't feel like that's necessarily the case all of the time. I do feel like it's important to keep track of the things that you do have so that you can find enjoyment in all of them. But I do think it's really important to get rid of things that you don't wear, just sell them and give them to a new home. So that's kind of the inspiration behind this video. Without further ado, let's just get into it. So I have a couple of dressers. One dresser for PJ stuff, one dresser that just has two things full of pants, and then my normal closet. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is my pants because I only have one drawer of them and I want to start small. So I'm gonna go and do that right away. The first pair of pants that I'm trying on are these from Target. I do really like these. I think they fit me very nicely. So I think I'm gonna hold on to these ones because, I don't know, they just look nice on me. They're fun, just feel really nice in them. I like the high-waistedness and they're really nice jeans for the springtime and the summertime. So I'm gonna keep these ones. This one is really hard because I do like these jeans. However, they are huge on me and I just don't like things that don't fit me well, so I think I'm gonna say goodbye to these ones. I also really didn't wear them that much. Next pair of jeans I am going to get rid of. I really like these jeans and I think they look nice on me, but I just don't reach for jeans like these ever, so I am going to get rid of these ones. Next pair I really enjoy. I wear these pretty often. I like the holes on them, I like the cut. This is more of the kind of cut that I enjoy over the ones that I just tried on. Just a little bit looser on the bottom, but tighter on the top. And I really love the rise on these. I think that they just hit me really nicely. So I am going to be keeping these ones. I don't love skinny jeans. I'm really not one of those people that doesn't like the way that they look. I just find them to be somewhat uncomfortable. However, these ones do fit me nicely. I do wear these sometimes. I'm gonna keep these. Okay, so far I have gotten rid of 5 pairs of jeans. I'm kind of scared because I feel like I need to get rid of more, but I do wear all of the jeans that I kept, so I'm not gonna just get rid of them for no reason. Anyways, I'm gonna get all of my stuff from my closet now, and I'm kind of nervous about it because it's a lot, and I'm it's gonna take a long time. So let's get into that. So this is my closet. I'm not gonna go through shoes today because I think it would just be way too long. This is all of my clothes. So I'm just gonna grab everything out of here, put it on my bed, and try it all on. The most helpful tip I used here, which I'm sure you've heard before, is if you haven't worn the piece in the last 6 months, just to give it away. Okay, so this first top was a hand-me-down from a friend. I think I'm going to let go of this guy because the arms are really tight. Looking at it now, I'm I kind of feel like a farmer wearing it, and the fit just isn't great. If it was a little bit baggier, I think I would probably wear it more. So we're kind of on a roll already. I'm already getting rid of stuff. I did not think it was going to be the first thing that I pick up. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. I like the detailing down here, and I just find this one to be really comfy and warm on like a day where my skin is feeling sensitive. This is a poncho, and I went through a phase where I really liked wearing ponchos. I'd usually wear it with like leggings. I just personally don't find that I wear this one super often. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. So here's the other poncho. Personally, this isn't like my favorite thing. However, I do really like this one for lounging. I feel like it's kind of like a big blanket if I'm really feeling cold. I like it because I can also wear it as a cardigan. And honestly, it's just really warm. The quality of this one is very nice. I think I'm gonna keep this one just because it does feel like a big blanket and super cozy. This is just like a really big top from Anthropologie. I like the detailing on it. I think it's very pretty. Yeah, I like flowy tops. I think this one is nice. So I'm gonna keep this one, and I think it's really great for spring. I really like this cardigan. I think it fits me very nicely and it's very comfy. So I'm gonna keep this one. This is a little shawl thing. I'm gonna keep it. It's warm, it's nice. The sweater is just too tight on me, like right in the arm. I feel like it's just not my favorite. So, and also I don't really like these slits on the side. I just feel like somebody could find better use out of this, so I'm gonna get this one away. Definitely one of my favorite sweaters I own, so I'm for sure keeping this one. I like this sweater. I think it's really cute, and it's something that I didn't really wear a lot this year, so I'm definitely gonna get my use out of it before it starts to warm up in Wisconsin, so that might be a while, so I still have sweater weather for a little bit longer here. I'm just gonna go ahead and try on the rest of this stuff. I feel like I've tried on a ton of things for you guys, and I'm not gonna like go through everything on camera because I just feel like that would take really long. I also found it very helpful to make sure that if I didn't feel like putting an item on, I just got rid of it. A lot of times, even if an item is really cute, if it isn't comfortable, I most likely won't wear it. Okay, so this is what I have so far I've gotten rid of. I actually don't think that there's gonna be a ton of dresses I want to get rid of. That's because honestly, I only have like a couple of dresses that I own for the winter time, and most of my dresses are summertime dresses. As you know, Wisconsin is like extremely cold, and as much as I love dresses, at least the kinds of dresses that I like to wear, I can't really wear them year round. A lot of my summer and spring clothes is in storage right now. I might have to do like a second part to this video, but comment down below if you want to see a video like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and try on some dresses for now, and then I think we're almost finished, which is crazy. It's been like 3 hours of trying on clothing, and I'm just kind of like, oh my gosh, this is a lot. I'm very happy that I'm doing it. So I'm going to go switch into some dresses. I'll show you what they look like. I will probably hold on to this one for the rest of my life because this is the dress that I was wearing when Colin proposed to me, and I just think it's so pretty. It's got these beautiful balloon sleeves, which is just so cozy. The material is amazing. It's very comfortable, and it's from Free People, so it's definitely like a nice quality. I just really like it, and I think it's very cute, and I feel like I'll wear it for a really long time. I thrifted this one, and I absolutely love it. I wear this one in the summer, I wear this one in the winter with tights, so it's very versatile. So I'm gonna hold on to this one. Okay guys, so I am now in my robe because I just like am so tired of putting on clothes. It has been a day. I have gotten through everything, so now I'm just gonna place everything back into my closet. I'm sure you cannot really tell based on what I'm gonna show you. This is the pile of things I'm keeping, and then this side is like the pile of things I'm getting rid of. I'm keeping these overalls, which I didn't try on because I just know I want them. But yeah, I feel like it'll just all come together when I show you like how much room I have in my closet now. Okay, so here's my closet. Pretty much it's just clothing up to like where the door is, and then there's a lot more space here. And I actually put my wedding gown right here. I put it back here so that it can stay good until December. And yeah, I'm really like happy I got rid of like a big chunk. Thank you so much for following along on this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely felt like going through my clothes and just seeing everything that I already own really made me feel very content, because the thing is like we don't need all of these things to make us happy, and I feel like in the world that we live in today with like materialism and all of those types of like pressures, it can be really hard to feel ever happy because it just seems like there's always something more. The more I like realize and just am more intentional about being grateful for the things that I have, I feel like I'm just so much happier that way. And there is a Bible verse, I think it's in Timothy, and it says, "Godliness with contentment is a great gain." And I just think that implementing gratefulness in our everyday lives is just so important. And for me, I feel like this is a really great way to just be really content with what I have instead of constantly looking into all of the things I could get for myself. Yeah, I think that that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!